So hello everybody, good morning, and me and July we're going head to town. We're gonna buy some stuff that we need, and also I'm going to pick up my barangay permit because I already had it before. But the thing is, we changed our business name here. It's because when I was there at the DTI, they said that the first name that we choose there's already a trademark. So me and James, we choose that we change our business name. So now I need to change everything again. So that's what we headed for. And we're going as well, while we are there also, we're going to pick up chicken feed because we're out again. Jilai has no class today, so she's here with us. So I let Jilai to drive. I'm teaching her to drive the e-bike. We're just only here to the subdivision, but when when we are there already at the road, I'm just going to take it over. Yes, just there at the gate. And later we need to practice again. Okay, stop there. So it's my turn now. First step, so I'm here now in barangay to pick up my paper. I wish that our barangay Kagawad signed that paper already. So this is our barangay hall. You look sad. You look sad. Ano siya? Oh, 172. So me and July, we decide to come over here in Benedictos. So they're selling soup, noodles, pizza, beverage, sandwich, and batchoy. They're really serve a really good food. And we ordered lomi dilipa, and of course with pandesal. July loves to eat, so that's why. Lomi dilipa. Of course, the famous lomi is on Batangas. So they copy this name, it's called lomi dilipa. Ay, salain mo mga kamera. Pabalabag. Wala tayo. Basta na. Pera 95? We're looking to our favorite food. Bilog lang, ginamos lang. Ganito? 50, sige isa. Ay, wala mo tangga? Ha? Oo, dumon siya kan. Chocolate. Ay, sa ilang tama yung ganito.
Pang ano namin lang, sa mangga ta.
Ay, mangga.
Minggo.
Ang tawag ako sa sila. Snap pa na. Thinking to cook menudo for today, so I'm going to get the potato and carrots. And that's it. May ano ka? May bell pepper.
Yan ang bell pepper ko.
Ba? Si Belgian. Ako nga, ano nga ka malaman? Ano, naga?
Concentrate.
Diyan nga, balik ko lang ako lang menudo. She's shy. Now it's back to go home. My hobby, gonna curious why we stay so long here in the town. Because I need to feed G-Light first.
Hey! Until you die.
Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, it's not a good morning again, it's a good afternoon. I have been out and about already a lot today. I've been doing different things, and we have guests here right now, and I was enjoying spending some time with our guests that are here too. Super nice people, man, really nice people. They're not only guests, they're longtime subscribers to the channel, and it's just nice to sit and visit with people without a camera going, you know, and you can just be very relaxed and comfortable and talk about things. Cap's here also hanging out with me, and yesterday at the end of the day I started burning the joints on some of the bamboo, and kind of got Mok and them started within the last 30 minutes of the day, and it started trying to rain on us. So first thing when Mok and Joel got here this morning, they picked right back up on burning those little joints and putting the bamboo on the walls. So let's go over here and have a look at that. So before I show the walls, we took these little concrete pads and made them into some stepping stones down through here, so you're not always walking in the sand, track stuff in the rooms. And then there's one more thing we did. The thing we did is this screen material right here. It's a shade material and the wind can pass through. We put this up out here also onto the side of the Bayacubo, and I'm gonna leave it I'm gonna get the boys to get up there and cut these 2 bamboo posts off up even. And I'm gonna leave it here until just however long it lasts. It provides a nice shade, you see right here on the side of the little beach cabin, the Bayakubo. And that's gonna be taking some of this afternoon sun right here off the side wall. A lot of the cabin's shaded, but that one area right there at that window's not. So that'll make it even nicer right there. So now let's go on to the siding. So yesterday we showed a couple of examples right at the end of the day of what we're going to be doing there. And the boys that continue it on this morning, we skipped underneath the window. There's a reason why. And they've been putting it on over here. And then it's going to look even better than that, because we'll come back over it and I'm going to put a nice finish coat over the top of that, which is going to really richen up the colors in that bamboo, giving a very beautiful appearance that should hold for a long while, especially if you come back and do some maintenance and recoat it every once in a while. But tell me what you think so far. Let me back that out where you can get a better overall view. Tell me what you think so far. I think it looks absolutely awesome. And so our subscribers that are here staying right now, they were surprised to see how far along this was, because on this day in the video that came out today, because I tell you these videos are always delayed, we were still just working up there building the framing on the roof structure, and there was no NIPA or nothing like that on, and we had just installed that window in that particular video. So we went through here. I put that, we call it liquid nails or construction adhesive. I had Mop to caulk all of those joints with that, putting that construction adhesive in between so that no water or creatures or anything going between there before we put the siding on. And Mop's been doing the torching on the joints, and then him and Joel both have been nailing it up. Joel doing most of the nailing. And our subscriber here, he come out and we're discussing building and all. I had a really great conversation with him, and he said that I do things kind of like him. I just like to build it in my mind, and then you got to kind of convey to your help what you're wanting. It's not always on paper, it's in here, so you got to try to translate that across and paint a picture in somebody else's mind of what you're doing. And while we were talking about that very thing, I ended up having him to hold some materials and assist me, and I had him to help me how we're going to close up these gable ends on the end up here. And I wanted it where it can breathe up there, air can pass through, but blowing rain can't pass through. And I think I have an idea for it, and I showed him and had him hold some materials while I kind of demonstrated it right there, and to demonstrate it to Joel and Mop as well, what I plan to do. And everybody agrees it seems to be a cool idea, so we'll soon know, because we're soon going to implement it. And we just picked up more bamboo that is for this siding here. So I had Miller to go pick this bamboo out, and I tell him, don't get nothing huge, don't get nothing too small, get a nice medium-sized bamboo, and to get me a couple big pieces, because some of those big round ones is what I want to split and lay open to like a flat mat, and I'll show you the reason why we're going to be doing that as it happens. So Joel's taking the bolo right there, and he's knocking off those little sharp pieces that stick out on those joints right there on that on that bamboo that could splinter into your hand or anything. So they shave those off, and then in the end they'll split this in half. Let's go up here for a minute. I hadn't shown y'all the boat project. There has been things going on. It doesn't look much different probably from the camera's eye, but the human eye right up here close, it does. So Marvin had started on the skim coating here a while back, and we ran out of skim coat, so I told him just stop until next time I go pick up some materials, and I get some when I go to City Hardware, because there's only one brand I like, and that's Island brand. So he went around, he finished all that up, he sanded it all in here now, and he is preparing right this moment to go in here and primer it up. So we're going to be using a concrete primer, and he'll primer all of that skim coat. But I'm going to make him do some major cleanup work before he starts doing that, because you can't put a good coat on with all that dust and dirt everywhere.